Next problem, obtain the constant term and the coefficients of the first cosine and sine terms in the Fourier expansion of y from the table x y 0 9 1 18 2 24 3 28 4 26 5 20. Solution. Here capital letter N, number of terms 1 2 3 4 5 6. We must have 0 less than or equal to x less than 6, because here up to 5 is there, that is why you write less than 6. We want L, 2L is equal to 6, therefore L is 3. The Fourier series of period 2L is f of x is equal to a0 by 2 summation n from 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by L plus n from 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by L. You apply L value is 3, therefore f of x is a0 by 2. See, we find only a0, a1, b1, that is a1 cos 1 pi x by L is 3 plus b1 sin 1 pi x by 3. Put theta denoted by pi x by 3, f of x is a0 by 2 plus a1 cos theta plus b1 sin theta. We denote theta is pi x by 3. You prepare the table by using x. We denote theta. See here, arbitrary numbers we converting into degree, denoted by theta is in the form of pi x by 3, corresponding y. Next, y cos theta, we want y sin theta. X is 0 1 2 3 4 5, corresponding y is 9 18 24 28 26 20. You apply x value here 0, x value is 1, theta is pi by 3, pi by 3 means 60 degree. Next, apply 2 to x, you will get 120 degree, 180 degree, 240 degree, last one 300 degree. Like previous problem, by using calculator, we write y into cos theta, that is 9 into cos 0, that is 9 is 1, 9 into 1 9. Next 0.866, confirm this number. Y cos theta here also 9, sorry, minus 12, minus 28, minus 13, 10. From your calculator, you calculate y cos theta. Next, y sin theta is 0, 15.588, 20.784, 0, minus 22.516, minus 17.32. Confirm these table values. We want summation y is 125, y cos theta is minus 25, y sin theta is minus 3.464. So after getting summation values, you find a naught. Formula is 2 by n summation y, that is 2 by n value is 6, summation y is 125, that is equal to 41.67 approximately. A naught by 2 is 20.835. Next, A1 formula is 2 by n summation y cos theta. 2 by n is 6, summation y cos theta is minus 25, that is minus 8.33. B1 is 2 by n summation y sin theta, that is equal to 2 by 6, y sin theta summation is minus 3.464 is equal to minus 1.155. So from this question, constant term is a naught by 2, that is 20.835. Coefficient of the first cosine term, that is A1 minus 8.333. Coefficient of the first sine term, that is minus 1.155. Next problem. Express y as a Fourier series up to the third harmonics given the following values: x, y, 0, 4, 1, 8, 2, 15, 3, 7, 4, 6, 5, 2. Solution. Here n is 6. We want L is 3. We find third harmonics, that is y is equal to a naught by 2 plus a1 cos 1 pi x by L in general, b1 sin 1 pi x by L plus a2 cos 2 pi x by L b2 sine 2 pi x by L plus a3 cos 3 pi x by L, b3 sine 3 pi x by L. Put L equal to 3, a0 by 2 plus, and denote theta is pi x by 3. You write one more step, otherwise you can apply these two for this series. A1 cos theta, B1 sin theta, A2 cos theta, because theta denoted by pi x by 3, where L is 3, plus B2 sin 2 theta, plus A3 cos 3 theta, B3 sin 3 theta. So this is the required up to third harmonics. You better to write for avoiding the confusion. Next, you prepare the table by using x, theta denoted by pi x by L, L is 3. Next y, we want y cos theta, we want y sin theta, we want y cos 2 theta. Next, y sin 2 theta, y cos 3 theta, y sin 3 theta. Using x data 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, corresponding y 4, 8, 15, 7, 6, 2. Apply x value here, you will get converting arbitrary to degree 0, 60, 120, 180, 240, 300. You are familiar about to fill these columns by using calculator. I can write directly the summation values, that is 42, y cos theta is minus 8.5, y sin theta is 12.99, y cos 2 theta is minus 4.5, y sin 2 theta is minus 2.598, y cos 3 theta is 8. Next, y sin 3 theta is 0. Confirm the table values. A0 I can write directly. You are familiar about to write the formula for A0 is always 2 by n summation y, that is 14. A0 by 2 is 7. A1 is formula is 2 by n summation y cos theta. Using that, minus 2.833. B1 is 4.33. A2 is minus 1.5. B2 is minus 0.866. A3 is 2.667. B3 is 0. Therefore, the required Fourier series up to third harmonic y is 7 minus 2.833 cos pi x by 3, or denoted cos theta, plus 4.33 sin pi x by 3, minus 1.5 cos 2 pi x by 3 minus 0.866 sin 2 pi x by 3 plus 2.667 cos pi x. The next term is 0 because sin b3 is 0. b3 into 0 is 0. I hope you understand this method. Next problem. Obtain are the following values of y and x are given. Find the Fourier series of y up to second harmonics. X, Y, 0, 9, 2, 18.2, 4, 24.4, 6, 27.8, 8, 27.5, 10, 22, 12, 9. So we already discussed like these type of problems. In this method you must observe from x and y data. You see first and last term, here 9, here also 9, that means f of 0 equal to 9, f of 12 equal to 9. So first and last readings are same. You can neglect last term. Because these 2 points are present in same particular location. After converting these readings into degree, this value is 0, this value is 360 degree, starts from 0, end at 360 degree, will meet the two values 0 and 360 degree is in same location. That is why you can neglect the last reading. That means we must 0 less than or equal to x less than 360 degree, not less than or equal to 360 degree. That is why. So here, after neglecting the last reading, here n values is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, not 7. N is 6. Here 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 12. 12 is equal to 12. L is equal to 6. L is equal to 6. You prepare the table, or you required Fourier series. F of x is a0 by 2. Using L value is 6. a1 cos 1 pi x by 6. b1 sin 1 pi x by 6 plus a2 cos 2 pi x by 6, b2 sin 2 pi x by 6. Later we denote theta is pi x by 6. We get a0 by 2, a1 cos theta plus b1 sin theta plus a2 cos 2 theta plus b2 sine 2 theta. You prepare the table by using x, y, we must theta pi x by 6. Next up to second harmonic means we find y cos theta, y sin theta, y cos 2 theta, y sin 2 theta. X readings 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 9, 18.2, 24.4, 27.8, 27.5, 22. Apply x values to get degrees: 120, 180, 240, 300. So here summation y value 128.9, y cos theta summation is minus 24.65, y sin theta is minus 5.9754, y cos 2 theta is minus 9.25, y sin 2 theta is minus 0.6062. So after completing the table, A naught I can write directly 42.967, A naught by 2 21.4835, A1 is minus 8.217, A2 is minus 3.083, B1 is minus 1.9918, B2 is minus 0.202. So the required Fourier series up to second harmonic is y is equal to f of x, that is A naught by 2 is 21.4835 minus 8.217 cos pi x by 6 minus 1.9918 sin pi x by 6 minus 3.083 cos pi x by 3 minus 0.202 sin pi x by 3. So this is the required solution. Last problem from this method. Last problem. The following data gives the variation of periodic current over a period t second A amps. Zero, 9, t by 6, 18.2, t by 3, 24.4, t by 2, 27.8, 2t by 3, 25.5, 27.5, 5t by 6, 22, t9. Find numerically the direct current part of the variable current and obtain the amplitudes up to the second harmonics. Solution: here the values of capital letter A at t equal to 0 and small letter t equal to capital letter T are same. That means first and last readings are same. Can neglect the last reading. We convert capital letter A is f of t to the period 2 pi by putting theta is equal to 2 pi of t by capital letter T. So that we have theta equal to 0 when t equal to 0 and theta equal to 2 pi when t equal to t. That means these readings are 0, 0, 360 degree by 6, 60 degree, t by 3 is 120, 240, 300, 360 degree. Like previous problem, converting into a degree, you will get x, y, theta is pi x by 6, y cos theta, y sin theta, y cos 2 theta, y sin 2 theta. So this problem is same compared to the previous problem. You will get the same data. Only thing is, instead of x and y, here t and a amps is given. Table data is same. You refer previous problem. The table data is same. So you will get table data is available in previous problem. Only here, after constructing A is equal to f of theta, 21.4835 minus 8.217 cos theta minus 1.9918 sin theta minus 3.083 cos 2 theta minus 0.202 sin 2 theta. Table data and y is equal to f of x value is same. You just verify the previous problem But in this problem, you mention the direct current part of the variable current is the constant term. Constant in this particular problem, constant term is A0 by 2. So this point is very important. This point is mentioned in your question. Find the direct current part of the variable current. We denote constant term A0 by 2, that is 21.4835 is the direct current part of variable current. And also they mention amplitude of first harmonic. The formula for amplitude is A1 square plus B1 square, square root of. We have A1 value, B1 value. Substituting that to get 8.455, important problem. Next, amplitude of the second harmonic is equal to square root of A2 square suffix 2 means second harmonic plus B2 square. After calculating you will get 3.09. Important type, one question from this method. So we are completed this unit, that is Fourier series. Next class we are going to discuss a new unit, that is Fourier transform. See, we discuss only infinite complex form of Fourier transform. So I will continue in next class.